Oh my god, check the size. It's huge. I guess it's like from 5 to 8 centimeters. It's huge. Oh, the sound is very disturbing and the force is quite high. Oh, this is yesterday's night at 8:39 and the gusty winds, they're disturbing everything. So if check the size, God, they're big. Oh, look, the speed, the gusty winds. Oh, that's my city. That's Wuhan from the sky. It's beautiful. That's Food Street. Yesterday night at 9 o'clock. Oh, don't forget the business side. Sale umbrellas or anything if you can. Okay, that's today's morning. A beautiful song is sung in the temple. Oh, that's yesterday night. And look at the calmness of the owners. They don't worry, and they're having dinner. That's in front of my place, and I still heavy raining here. And the forecast says 3 more days to go. I hope it's not what they say. Okay, and pardon my English, I'm not native, so if I made any mistakes, just forgive me or just tell me down below. And pray for Wuhan. Wuhan has seen enough, but I'm sure it's nothing for this big city. That's it. See you. Goodbye.